Kevin Fleming, Week 2 project review. I'm going to flip back and forth between my project and the questions just to make sure I answer them successfully. Just a quick demo of my project real quick. Let it build. Just have it set up to where I followed the specifics of the instructions. Kind of did a help me robot just for the comedic. I didn't want to go fancy with titles or anything. I just really wanted to focus on the methods. As you can see, I have these that match. I just have the @ symbol because I'm still a little unfamiliar with exactly how to get the syntax to display correctly. I just left those in. But I have my equals to. I have the fact that they match. And that's it. That's really all it does in a nutshell. I use my function separation. I really just kept them one after another. I've just got some fairly brief, concise comments about what each one does. I have my add method, my compare method, my append method, and my display alerts function. And then above that, I have just the variables used inside of those methods. Nothing very crazy. A few things that could use more clarification. I think the biggest thing would be showing different functions rather than just an NS string function. Maybe do a append function or an add function so that way they see different examples of how to do the same thing, because that's usually how I excel, is when I see it used different ways. I can kind of take in pieces of this and piece it together the way I need it to run correctly. What do you think I could have done better? Honestly, I would have rather put these, instead of doing alerts, I would have rather had one alert and then inputted them into labels and maybe integrated a little UI and creativity into the program itself. But it took me a little longer than what I was expecting to really get everything aligned, so I didn't really want to take and break too much. Plus, the instructions say we were supposed to have the display alerts with string function do the display. So that's essentially what I did.